My name's Chris Haney. I work for Matrix Residential. I've been in the multifamily industry going on 8 years now. Been with Matrix for 2 years. I'm a regional service director with them. The biggest thing I love about Maintenance Mania is the challenge. I started my first year competing was 7 years ago. It really dedicate and focuses towards the maintenance guys. It's kind of our shining moment. It's our Super Bowl, I guess most people would say. Maintenance Mania has helped my career basically because it's really helped me get involved and connected with our vendors, a lot of people that contribute to our industry. I think it's a brotherhood. I know that sounds cliche, all sports are talking about it, but I stay in contact with people all over the United States that I've competed with nationally. I actually started working with Matrix because of meeting people there from Maintenance Mania. So if you're thinking about competing in Maintenance Mania, go out there and have fun. I mean, that's really what it's about. Just really go in there and be like, man, if he can do this, I can do it. Every year at Nationals, a different person wins, so.